we are discussing type 5. Type 5 is what? Integration of 1 divided by linear equation 1 into linear equation 2 into root or quadratic. Then how to integrate this one? So to integrate this one, what we will do? 1 divided by L1 into L2. This is what linear equation 1 into linear equation 2. So this one we will do partial fraction. So this one we can write as what? K1 divided by L1 plus K2 divided by L2. K1 and K2 is what? Some constant. So how to find out this constant? We have already discussed in partial fraction how to find out K1, K2. For that we will simplify this one. Okay. So 1 divided by L1 and 2, we can write this one, K1 by L1 plus K2 by L2. So this integration will become what? Integration of K1 divided by L1 plus K2 divided by L2 into 1 by root or quadratic. So this will convert as what? Integration of K1 is outside, 1 divided by L1 into root quadratic plus K2 is outside, integration of 1 divided by L2 into root quadratic. So you can see this will become type 4. And we already discussed type 4 how to solve. L1 we have to take 1 by t, and here L2 we can take 1 by z. If you do this one, we can solve these two integration. For that we are taking one example. That example is integration of dx divided by x into x minus 1 into root over x square plus 4x minus 4. So this is linear equation and this is linear equation and this is root over quadratic equation. So this is in the form of 1 by L1 into L2 into root or quadratic. So how to solve this one? First 1 divided by x into x minus 1. Here we will do partial fraction. So this one we can write as what? K1 divided by x minus 1 plus K2 divided by x. So if we simplify this one, what will come? 1 equal to K1 into x plus K2 into x minus 1. If I put x value 0, so what will come here? 1 equal to, this is 0, K2, x is 0, so 0 minus 1 will come. So K2 value what will come? Minus 1. Now if I put x value 1, so what will come here? 1 equal to K1 into 1 plus K2 into 1 minus 1, 0. So K1 value what will come? 1. So this 1 divided by x into x minus 1, it will become what? K1 value is what? 1. So 1 divided by x minus 1 plus K2 value is what? Minus 1. So this will come what? Minus 1 by x. So 1 divided by x into x minus 1, we can write as what? 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 1 by x. Now instead of 1 divided by x into x minus 1, we can write 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 1 by x. So this integration will become what? 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 1 by x dx divided by root over x square plus 4x minus 4. So here we can do separate. So this will come integration of 1 divided by x minus 1 into root over x square plus 4x minus 4 and dx will come in numerator minus integration of 1 divided by x into root over x square plus 4x minus 4 into dx. So this one we can take I1 and this one we can take I2. So I1 minus I2 we want. Okay. So first we are solving I1. So I1 is what? Type 4 and I2 is a type 4. So first we are solving I1. So what is I1? Integration of 1 divided by dx divided by x minus 1 into root over x square plus 4x minus 4. X square plus 4x minus 4. So 1 divided by linear into root quadratic. So this linear equation x minus 1 we will take as 1 by t. Then we will find out dx. So if you differentiate this one, what will come? Dx equal to what will come? Minus 1 by t square dt. And from here x value what will come? 1 plus 1 by t. So from here x equal to what will come? T plus 1 divided by t. So if I put these value here, so I1 will become what? Integration of x minus 1 will come 1 by t. So t will come in numerator divided by root over x value will put t plus 1 divided by t. So this is what? T plus 1 divided by t whole square. So t plus 1 whole square divided by t square plus 4 into x value. X is what? T plus 1 divided by t. So this will come out 4 into t plus 1 divided by t and minus 4. And what is dx value? This is minus 1 by t square dt. So I1 will come what? Minus, we can take this side. So minus outside, integration of t getting cancelled. And if I take here LCM, so 1 divided by root over LCM will come t square. So this will come what? T plus 1 whole square. So what will come? T square plus 2t plus 1. And this is what? T. So here we have to multiply t. So 4t if you multiply inside, so what will come? Plus 4t square plus 4t. And here what will come? Minus 4t square. And this is what? 1 by t dt. So this is what? Root over t square, and this is t. So this will get cancelled. So this will come what? I1 equal to minus of integration of dt divided by root over. So if you simplify this, what will come? 4t square getting cancelled. What is remaining here? T square, 2t plus 4t, 6t plus 1. This will come. So you can say this is what? Root integration of dt divided by root over quadratic. So here we can use standard formula. So to solve this one, what you will do? First, this one will make perfect square. So what will come here? I1 equal to minus of integration of dt divided by root over. This one if you make perfect square, what will come? T plus 3 whole square. T plus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 1. So what will come? Minus 8. So this one integration we can do directly. For doing integration of this one, we will use this formula. Integration of dx divided by root over x square minus a square. So here, this 8 we can write what? Root 8 whole square. So this will come what? Minus root 8 whole square. So if you apply this formula, so this integration what will come here? I1 equal to minus ln modulus of, instead of x what you will use? T plus 3. So what will come here? T plus 3 plus root over t plus 3 whole square minus root 8 whole square modulus close. This will come. This is your I1. Okay. Plus c we will use at the end. If you write I1 minus I2 plus c we can write here. So we got I1. Now we have to find out I2. So I1 is what? This one. So how to find out I2? So I2 is what? Integration of 1 divided by x into root over x square plus 4x minus 4. 1 divided by x into root over x square plus 4x minus 4 dx. So here x we will take as what? 1 by z. So dx what will come? Minus 1 by z square dz. Okay. So what will come here? I2 equal to integration of 1 divided by x value, what you will put? 1 by z. Integration of, if you put here x value 1 by z, so what will come? 1 by z square plus 4 by z minus 4, and dx value what will come here? Minus 1 by z square dz. This will come. So here I2 will come what? Integration of 1 divided by 1 by z, and if you take here LCM z square, so what will come here? 1 plus 4z minus z square divided by z square and minus 1 by z square dz. So here 1 by z, and this was root over z square, so this will get cancelled. So here minus if you take common, I2 equal to what will come? Minus common integration of dz divided by root over 1 plus 4z minus z square. This will come. So this one is what? Dz divided by root over quadratic. So this integration we can use directly by using standard form. So I2 will come what? Minus integration of dz divided by root over 1. Here we have 4z minus z square. So here minus we can take common. So if I take minus common, in bracket what will come? Z square minus 4z. Bracket close. So this will come what? I2 equal to minus of integration of dz divided by root over 1 minus, if you make this one perfect square, So what will come here in bracket? Z minus 2 whole square minus 4, bracket close. So this will come what? I2 equal to minus integration of dz divided by root over, if I take minus inside, what will come here? 1 minus z minus 2 whole square plus 4. So this will come what? I2 equal to minus integration of dz divided by root over 1 plus 4 is what? 5. So 5 we can write root 5 whole square minus z minus 2 whole square. Okay, so this one we can use standard formulas. So here what formula we will use? Integration of dx divided by root over a square minus x square. So this will come what? Sine inverse x by a. So here I2 will come what? Minus is outside. Here instead of x, what you will put? Z minus 2, and a is what? Root 5. So this will come what? Sine inverse z minus 2 divided by root 5. This is your I2. Here z value is what? 1 by x. So if I put I1 and I2 value here, so this will become what? I1 is what? Minus ln modulus of t plus 3 plus root over t plus 3 whole square minus root 8 whole square. Now here what you will put? T value we will put here. What is t value? T value is what? 1 divided by x minus 1. So this will come modulus of 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 plus root over 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 whole square minus root 8 whole square is what? 8. Modulus close. Then minus I2. I2 is what? This one. So here what will come? Minus of sine inverse z minus 2 divided by root 5. So z value is what? 1 by x. Z value is what? 1 by x. So this will come what? 1 by x minus 2 divided by root 5 plus c. This is your answer. If you simplify this one, what will come here? Minus minus plus. This will come what? Sine inverse 1 minus 2x divided by root 5x minus ln modulus of this one we are writing as it is only 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 plus root over 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 whole square minus 8 modulus close plus c. This is your answer. So 1 divided by L1 into L2 root q, how to solve? By this procedure.